YouTube, it's me, Macho Guy. Holy crap, are we getting dumped on with snow. This is like, we've had this twice. So if I hadn't plowed the driveway, it'd be like that tall. That's a huge pile. Yard machine snowblower sucks with this stuff. And yeah, a lot of snow, a lot. Roads aren't even like plowed. We were definitely not prepared for this storm. Yeah, it's pretty bad. But I like it, so it's awesome. Oh, here's the snapper that I wanted to mount the plow on. There's a battery that's dead, workaholic. I think that's right around it. Needs new headlights. New battery, that's pretty much it. But yeah, holy crap, I'm just amazed at how much snow we are getting. Ridiculous.